Whether you are brand new to YouTubing or somebody that's been doing it for months or years, if you're looking to take your avatar success to the next level, then these are the 5 people you need to be following this year. But before we jump in that, please subscribe because it really helps out my channel. The first and one of the most popular coaches in the virtual reality VTubing world is none other than Fia. Now, Fia is a host of the virtual reality show in the virtual reality world. She is an expert in the VR chat world, and she is the host and really understands that virtual reality is the next big part of the future, and she loves nothing more than spreading the excitement for it here, not only on her channel by doing interviews of people in VR chat, but also goes to conferences all over the world in order to spread the excitement of what the future has to hold. She'll cover topics ranging from reality perception and philosophy to the upcoming tech that's leading the future and everywhere in between. She also has many big plans for the channel and has had multiple guest appearances, and as she continues to grow, she's someone to definitely watch if you want to learn on quick tutorials along with how to actually utilize your 3D models in your content. Next up we have Fofamit, and she likes to call it the quality of boring. She sometimes streams on Twitch, but is also on Twitter, has a Patreon account, and her own Discord. And what Fofamit is very good at doing is showing what the possibility is when it comes to all sorts of facial tracking, doing things within Unreal and Unity, and also walking people through from beginning to end how to get your avatars, models, and skins, and so on. She does multiple live streams, and with over 20,000 followers, Fofamit is a great person to pay attention to. The next one on your list that you should be following is Sciofire. Now, she also streams on Twitch, has Patreon, Instagram, and Twitter, but she's actually been an official coach as a professional, helping people grow their avatars. And her channel has over 15,000 subscribers, and she's been streaming for over 5 years. She officially became a VTuber in 2020, and when she became that, she grew from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just under 1 year, bringing in over 1 million views for artists, VTubers, animators, game developers, and content creators all around the world. Now, her community places an emphasis on building up an atmosphere that encourages creativity and positivity, and is primarily focused on education. She is a great trainer. While she loves exploring the virtual world and helping the artists, she's also become a well-known name in both Twitch and YouTube by making her educational VTuber videos and her technology tutorials. Her channel showcases the strength of learning and growing with each other so that everyone can be the best. She is truly in it for her viewers. She wants everybody to succeed, and her videos cover everything from her own experiences, not only in the VTuber world, but also in real life, while also showing you how to do video editing, live 2D full tutorial series, and all sorts of softwares that you can use for your VTuber life. Next we have up our Garma Witch, and she is very entertaining because she not only teaches, but she also has her own style to it, where if she doesn't like something, she will not hold back and will let you know. She does live commissions and also has her own Patreon and Twitter and Twitch. Her channel includes doing live drawings and animations while also playing around in programs such as like VRoid, which is similar to what my model is. My model was created in VRoid by myself, but she can actually walk you through how to do all that, same with Fia and the others. With over 20,000 subscribers, she's definitely somebody to look out for as well. Now, if you found this video helpful so far, please take a moment to smash that like button so YouTube knows to get this video out to others as well. Last but not least is VTuber Senpai. He is a smaller channel that is growing. He only has 5K subscribers, but he is great at making educational VTubing content and provides information and value wherever he can. Something that's really cool about his live streams is he does it more in a classroom type setting, which allows him to engage his viewers and let them ask questions. And he's real about fact. It's not solely on the technology. So as an example, instead of just focusing on VRoid or VR, he's also going into the business side of how this works, what success rates are like, and what it really takes to get there. Similar to our Garma, he's also a no-holds-barred person. He's the first to tell you that VTubing can be hard, but his channel's purpose is to provide content that covers everything that's required for a VTuber, along with the software that you need to use in order to be able to do it. This includes programs such as Luppet, VCFace, and 3Team, and he'll also cover equipment such as the mics, the webcams, and even some virtual reality related products as well. All 5 of these different versions of VTubers are uploading consistently with at least once a week, and they are very engaged with their content. Now, out of all these people we're talking about, every single person I mentioned is in the description below, so take a moment to go to their channels if you haven't done so after this video. Make sure to go check them out, and make sure to come back to this channel as well for more informative tips on who to follow and other ways to run your VTubing success also. Until then, and as always, here's to your success, and keep being awesome.